So I just want to give you a quick look on this headphones that I have from Sony. And again, it has been a long time, over a year since I've been using this headphone. I use them with everything, my computer, my phone, and I'm going to tell you, they work fantastic. The sound that comes out of these headphones are great. Again, for the price is really, really good, and the quality has been so great. I'm going to give you a closer look here for you guys to check it out. You guys see that it has a little bit of scratches and things like that right here. Obviously, like I say, I've been using this a lot, right? So again, it goes over your ear, and you see how easy it rotate, obviously, for store when you put it on top of a table or something like that, right? So again, when you put it on, obviously it goes like this. If you see, the material is really, really comfortable. So when you put it in the head, on your head, it's just going to be very, very comfortable. You could use this for quite some time, and in fact, I use it for editing and things like that in my computer. I'm going to tell you, the noise cancellation is fantastic. A lot of times I just put it on if I want to read something or something like that, and I could put my headphones on and it cancels a lot of the noise. It's kind of like I'm in my own little place, right? So again, the noise cancellation is just amazing. The quality is amazing. If you see this section right here, the head, it has or the bar that goes through here has a little bit of padding here as well. So you see the padding right there, right? They charge very, very quickly. So when they run out of battery, plug it in and you're going to charge them very, very quickly. And again, they do really well. So giving you a closer look from this camera right here, just so you guys have an idea. And again, they have done really, really well here in the channel. I do have a case that I bought a long time ago, just about the same time that I bought the headphones. And the reason why is because I want to actually protect my investment, right? They're not cheap. So when you buy things like that, you want to make sure they are protected. And again, this case is amazing. All I do is kind of go like this. There we go. And then close it up. You see it right there. Close it up. And again, you know, when I travel, when I go anywhere, I could protect my headphones really, really well. So again, really good headphones. I got them for years and they're working really well. And I'm sure I'm going to have it for many more years to come.